The natural world is an astonishing tapestry of life, teeming with creatures both grand and humble. When we think of endangered species, our minds often turn to majestic tigers or iconic pandas. But the reality is, there exists a hidden kingdom of lesser-known creatures clinging to survival in the face of extraordinary odds. These remarkable animals, often possessing unique adaptations and playing vital roles in their ecosystems, are facing a perilous future. From the depths of the oceans to the heart of rainforests, their stories are as captivating as they are critical. Join us now, as we embark on a journey to uncover the plight of these wildly rare creatures, delve into their fascinating lives, and discover what we can do to ensure their survival for generations to come. In the ancient waterways of Mexico, we encounter a creature that seems almost mythical, the axolotl. This unusual salamander possesses a remarkable characteristic known as neoteny, retaining its juvenile, almost cartoonish appearance throughout its life. With its feathery gills and perpetual grin, the axolotl might appear whimsical, but its true marvel lies in its ability to regenerate limbs, spinal cord, even parts of its heart and brain. This incredible adaptation, however, has not shielded it from the threat of extinction. Pollution, habitat loss, and the introduction of invasive species have pushed this once abundant amphibian to the brink. The canals and lakes they once called home are now polluted and shrinking, leaving the axolotl with fewer places to thrive. Efforts are underway to protect the axolotl, with conservationists working tirelessly to restore their habitat and raise awareness about their plight. The future of this extraordinary creature hangs in the balance, a stark reminder of the delicate balance of nature. Our journey takes us to the warm waters of the Gulf of California, home to the critically endangered vaquita. This elusive porpoise, with its distinctive dark rings around its eyes and a perpetually surprised expression, is one of the rarest marine mammals on Earth. Sadly, the vaquita's limited range overlaps with a deadly threat: illegal gillnet fishing. These indiscriminate nets, intended for other fish, often entangle and drown the vaquita, pushing their already dwindling population closer to the abyss. Time is of the essence for the vaquita. With fewer than 10 individuals believed to remain, their survival hinges on immediate and decisive action. Conservationists are working tirelessly to eliminate gillnet fishing in the vaquita's habitat, but the challenges are immense. The fate of this tiny porpoise serves as a stark reminder of the devastating impact human activities can have on even the most elusive of creatures. The world watches with bated breath, hoping against hope that we can avert this tragedy and secure a future for the vaquita. Venturing into the forests of Asia and Africa, we encounter a creature unlike any other, the pangolin. Covered in overlapping scales, this shy and solitary animal resembles a walking pine cone, its armor a testament to its ancient lineage. The pangolin's scales, made of keratin, the same material as our fingernails, provide formidable protection from predators. However, this unique defense mechanism has become a curse, making them the most trafficked mammal in the world. Prized for their meat and scales, which are falsely believed to have medicinal properties, pangolins are being poached at an alarming rate. Their shy nature and solitary habits make them difficult to protect, and their numbers are plummeting across their range. The plight of the pangolin highlights the devastating consequences of the illegal wildlife trade, a global crisis that threatens countless species with extinction. Only through collaborative efforts to combat poaching, reduce demand, and protect their habitat can we hope to secure a future for these remarkable creatures. Deep within the dense jungles of Vietnam and Laos roams a creature so elusive it's called the Asian unicorn, the saola. Discovered only in 1992, its long horns and white markings captivate the imagination. But the saola's future hangs by a thread. Habitat loss and poaching threaten its survival. Scientists and conservationists race to protect this rare animal, reminding us there are still wonders to discover and protect. Deep in the Yangtze River, a true giant survives, the Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle. With its leathery shell and snorkel-like snout, it can reach over 3 feet long and weigh more than 200 pounds. Once common, it's now nearly extinct, driven to the brink by habitat loss, pollution, and hunting. Only a handful remain, scattered in zoos and isolated river stretches. Conservationists work tirelessly to save this ancient species, hoping for a future in the Yangtze. Our next encounter takes us to the lush forests of New Zealand, where we meet a bird as peculiar as it is endearing, the kakapo. This large, flightless parrot, with its mossy green plumage and owl-like face, is a true oddity of the avian world. The kakapo evolved in an environment free from mammalian predators, leading to the loss of its ability to fly. Instead, it developed strong legs for climbing and a unique musky odor, once used to attract mates but now making it easy prey for introduced predators like rats and stoats. Once widespread across New Zealand, the kakapo was driven to the brink of extinction by habitat loss and introduced predators. By the 1990s, only a handful of individuals remained, clinging to survival on a few predator-free islands. However, thanks to the dedication of conservationists and the implementation of intensive management programs, the kakapo is making a remarkable comeback. With careful monitoring, predator control, and even artificial insemination, the population is slowly but surely increasing. Our final journey takes us to the deciduous forests of India, where we encounter a creature that shimmers like a jewel, the Goody tarantula. This striking arachnid, with its iridescent blue legs and star-shaped markings, is a sight to behold. The Goody tarantula's vibrant blue coloration serves as a warning to predators, advertising its venomous defenses. However, this same beauty has made it highly sought after in the pet trade, leading to overcollection and habitat loss. Confined to a small and fragmented forest range, the Goody tarantula is highly vulnerable to any disturbance. Deforestation and agricultural expansion are shrinking its habitat, while the illegal pet trade continues to pose a significant threat. Efforts are underway to protect the Goody tarantula, including habitat restoration and community engagement programs to raise awareness about its plight. However, the future of this dazzling creature remains uncertain. A reminder that even the smallest and most overlooked of species play a vital role in the intricate web of life. As we've witnessed, the natural world is filled with extraordinary creatures, each playing a vital role in the delicate balance of life. The plight of these endangered species is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the profound impact human actions can have. But there is hope. By supporting conservation organizations, advocating for responsible environmental policies, and making conscious choices to reduce our ecological footprint, we can make a difference. Let us choose to be guardians of our planet, protecting its biodiversity for generations to come. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay informed about our planet's incredible creatures and how you can help protect them. Together, we can ensure that these wildly rare species have a fighting chance to survive and thrive.